Hi fam, come back to another vlog. So it's a Friday today and 9:30 na ng umaga ngayon, and today ang ating Klook Awards Night. So 7:45 PM pa naman yung call time mamaya ng ating Klook Awards Night. Pero mag-check-in na tayo sa Eastwood. Naghanap ako ng Airbnb kasi naisip ko payday Friday today, ma-traffic. Ayoko nang ma-hassle sa pagbiyahe, diba? Tapos nakasuot pa ako ng suit. Magdadrive ako going to Eastwood, malayo. Tapos after the event, magdadrive ulit ako pa uwi. So it's kinda hassle for me. So naisip ko mag-check-in na lang sa Eastwood. Nakahanap na ako ng Airbnb. Nabook ko na rin siya. And 2 PM mag-check-in tayo. Pero bala kong umalis ng 10 AM dito kasi gusto kong dumaan ng mall. Wala pa akong belt pa na nabili. Nawala sa isip ko yung belt. Daan muna tayo ng mall before we go to Eastwood, no? So, ayun na yung update sa lashes. Ang ganda ng ating lashes. Very natural lang ang eksena. Ayan, oh. Tapos, ito, may dala akong maleta. Tsaka yung coat. Teka, labas tayo para pakita sa inyo yung coat. Ayan, ay, Sasuke, oh, tulog. Ito yung coat natin. Pina-dry clean ko na siya. So, dadali natin yan. Okay, so tara fam, baba na tayo, breakfast muna tayo, tapos alis na tayo. So, super excited ako sa Klook Awards Night na ito, no? So, it's a first time for Klook, and I'm very happy na na-invite tayo doon, and kasama tayo sa mga nominees for 2 awards, no? Yun yung pinagbotohan natin last 2 weeks ago. Anyway, mamaya ko na lang i-share all the details. Baba na muna tayo. Okay fam, so ngayon pa lang ako paalis. 11 o'clock na ng umaga. Nahirapan ako umalis kasi umahabol si baby. Inaliw muna nila Karen. So anyway, papunta na tayo ng MOA. 1 hour ang biyahe. So alas 12 na tayo makapuntang MOA. Sakto lang kasi 2 PM pa naman yung check-in. And pagka check-in naman natin, may mga gagawin lang akong work. So doon lang naman tayo sa unit. Kaya chill lang naman mamaya prior to the event. Tapos, after I do my work, mag-aayos na tayo for the event. Ako lang din mag-aayos sa sarili ko, fam. Naisip ko na yan, kuha kaya ako ng makeup artist for me, ganon. Kaso, simple lang naman din ako mag-makeup. As in, simpleng foundation, blush on, tapos lipstick. Yun lang, ganun lang. Kaya sabi ko, sige, ako na nga lang. Dala ko na yung suit ko sa likod. Andyan na, kasampay. Tapos, may dala akong maleta na maliit. Yung mga gamit ko nandyan. So, yun lang. Punta tayo ng MOA. I'm gonna buy sinturon. Okay naman yung pants ko, pero parang mas feel ko na may sinturon. Para secured at hindi siya nalalaglag. Okay, let's go. Samahan niyo ako sa araw na ito. Let's go to MOA muna. Alright, dito lang sa MOA. Sakto alas 2. Isang oras ngayong biyahe. Medyo traffic pa yan. Sige, baba muna tayo. Hanap tayo ng belt. Okay, mission accomplished na pa. Tayo sa Dep Store. Nabili ko na ang belt. Kailangan. Yan. Tsaka socks. Bumili na rin kong socks. Para maganda yung socks natin mamaya. Yung pang corporate socks. Yung iconic na corporate socks na makulay-kulay. Para may bago tayo, diba? Tapos ngayon, nandito ako sa Jerbo. Naghanap ako ng bag na bagay sa suit. Kasi yung dala kong bag, yung Coach na black na minsan ko lang ginagamit. Yun sana yung gagamitin. Kaso parang hindi siya bagay sa color combi ko. Kasi ang color ko, neutral colors, diba? Parang brown beige. Tapos shoes ko ay white. So parang di bagay yung black na bag. Eh wala akong any black sa katawan. So hindi ko siya ma-partner. Naghanap ako ng option dito sa Jerbo na something na I can use din after the event, diba? Okay, mission accomplished tayo. Nabili ko na lahat na ng mga kailangan kong bilhin. Bumili lang din akong coffee from Boss Coffee. Now, ready na tayo pumunta sa Eastwood. Inabot na tayo ng alas 2 dito sa MOA. Kaya gusto ko sana umalis ng alas 10 para 1 tapos na tayo. But yeah, okay lang ko. Kasi pag check-in naman natin, chill lang naman tayo. Gano'n ko umalis ng Airbnb? Mga 7:30 kasi alam nyo, from the Airbnb na binook ko to the event place, check ko sa Waze, 9 minutes lang yung biyahe. Sabihin na natin 15 minutes max. So pwede ako umalis na 7:30 kasi 7:45 ang call time. Kita tayo sa parking. Okay, we're back. Ayan na yung gamit natin. Ayan yung maleta na dala ko, tas laptop. Tapos yung paper bag nilagay ko lang dyan sa ilalim. Tapos, ayan yung coat. Let's go to Eastwood. Mga 3 PM na siguro tayo maka-check-in. Pero okay lang yan. Yung parking naman, may parking naman doon sa condo. May bayad nga lang. So, magbabayad na lang. Let's go. Okay, update. Nasa Pasig na ako at alas 3 na, grabe. Ang traffic, oh my God. Ang lala ng traffic ng Payday Friday. Di ba buti na lang talaga inagahan ko. Traffic, grabe. Ayan oh. Ang estimated time of arrival natin based sa Waze 3:24. So makakapag-check-in tayo niyan sa hotel mga 3:40. Oh, may time pa tayo maghiga-higa, skincare, ganun. May binili kong mask, mag-face mask tayo. Anyway, balikan ko kayo mamaya pagdating natin sa Airbnb. And we're finally here sa parking ng 1 Eastwood Avenue na condo. 60 pesos yata yung parking for 3 hours, tapos 20 per hour. Pero kung mailalabas ko daw mamayang madaling araw, parang mafa-flat rate ako ng 60 pesos bukas, mas mura daw. Kaso, I don't think na mailalabas ko siya ng madaling araw. Kasi hanggang 12 yung event mamaya. O di, hindi ko na siya mailalabas. Pag sa succeeding na lang siya hanggang 11 o'clock. Pero hindi naman daw plus 150. Kapag Monday to Friday yata yung plus 150. Anyway, ready na akong mag-check-in. Ayun yung gamit. Ayan. Maleta ko. Ito yung binili natin kanina. Laptop. Tapos, kukunin natin yung coat. And then, let's go. Akit na tayo. Hello. Okay, we're finally here. Sakto lang yung sinabi ko. Sabi ko, di ba 3:40 check-in? 3:40 nga. Wait, sabit ko lang yung aking coat. Ang galing na natin. Ayan siya. Wala na, naglag na pala yung pants. Di ba, Ale? Meron naman silang plancha. Pwede ako mag-plancha mamaya. Okay, it's cozy. I like it. Tignan niyo yung room natin. It's cozy. Dito tayo matutulog mamaya. Merong sofa. Tapos dito tayo nag-cabinet. O, diba? Room tour. O, may desk pa dito. Sabi ko, mag-work ako eh. Paano ako makaka-work? Mag-alas 4 na. TV, cabinet, and a dining table. Tapos may ref tayo. Andito ang kitchen. Tapos may washing. Ito ang toilet. Here's the shower area. Malinis. Lavatory. And here's the toilet. Malinis with bidet. O diba? It's so nice. Nabook ko ito for around 2,500 pesos, no? Pwede na din kesa magpakahirap pa ako mag-drive pa uwi mamaya. Alam mo yon. Tapos at least dito makakapag-ayos ako. And fresh tayong dadating doon sa event venue. And 9-minute drive lang yung venue from here. So super lapit lang. Eastwood, walking distance lang dito. Eastwood Mall. Anyway, magpa-freshen up tayo. I mean, maghihilamos ako tapos maglalagay tayo ng mask para fresh. Tapos, pahinga muna tayo. Okay, update. Nagpahinga lang ako, fam. And 5:30 na ng hapon ngayon. Ang weird ko magsalta naka-face mask kasi ako. Ayan. Para naman well-hydrated ang ating face. Di ba? Maya-maya mag-half bath na ako. Tapos, mag-ayos na rin tayo. Umorder na ako ng food sa Grab para dito tayo mag-dinner kasi we are advised to eat heavy dinner kasi yung sa party more on cocktails, snacks. Ayan. Pa-fresh muna tayo. Hi fam, 7:15 na ng gabi. Pasensya na kayo sa lighting ha kasi ang ganda ng lighting dito sa Airbnb. Puro yellow yung ilaw. Walang white ilaw kaya nahirapan ako mag-ayos. So ayan ang outfit natin. Naglagay lang ako ng ganito pero meron pa akong isang reserve kung gusto ko magpalit. Tapos susuotin ko lang yung coat natin and ready na tayo. So 7:15, ang dami nag-chat sa group, nahirapan daw sila mag-book ng Grab kasi nga naulan. So sana hindi tayo mahirapan, no? Saglit lang naman yung biyahe natin, 9 minutes lang. Let's go. Alright, this is my final outfit. Ayan, nasuot ko na yung code ko. Nagbubook na ako ng Grab. Wala akong mabook na Grab. OMG! It's currently 7:30. Waiting lang ako. Okay, update. Wala pa rin ako nabook na Grab. Alas 8 na. Pero nakabook na ako ng Angkas. Waiting na lang for my Angkas. Angkas na lang. Laban natin yung suit sa Angkas. Okay, we're here na sa Glass Garden at tayo ay nakasurvive sa Angkas. Grabe. Parang si Bestie Justin tong nagpo-photoshoot dito sa labas. Ito na siya. Glass Garden. Yay! We made it. Ayan, ngayon pa lang ako nakapag-vlog. We're so busy saying hi to our co-creators here sa vlog. Magay kayo sa vlog! Hi! Ayan, mga fam natin na mga co-creators natin here. Hi! Yan ang stage natin.
Alright, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I reflect on the past 2 years since we launched the Cook Creator Program in the Philippines. I am overwhelmed with gratitude. Our journey together has been truly remarkable, transforming from humble beginnings into a leading force across all our Cook markets globally.
Yung maganda nating usher. Ayan, pupunta yung mga usher namin sa inyo. Just ring. O, diba? Guwapo. Ganda. So, pupunta kami, yung mga usher sa inyo. Raise your hand.
Yan, may pag-games. Ang premium Tanqueray pa. Yan na.
And you're so excited for some
Bestie.
club credits, or if you have any issues, they're always there to help you out. They're always there to make you laugh and
busy pa siya. Pagkain natin meme.
Let's welcome on stage.
Maki!
Maki, ang cute-cute nila today! Stanford Sisters ang big. Okay, very thrilled to announce our winners. First up, we're beginning with the People's Choice Awards.
Nakikialam tayo Ang boga ni Ivan,
let's go up first with the Travel Innovator Award.
Travel Innovator!
The Travel Innovator Award is presented to a creator who demonstrates.
Yes!
And Justin!
Bestie ko yan!
Sino masaya ako?
Oo, kahit sino.
Shout out sa lahat ng Bangkisyo fans.
Ay,
Finally, nandito na po ako ngayon sa Vlogging JM.
Hi, Hazel! May anak pa! Sa Hazel, Travel Innovator. Wala, iyakin.
Sobrang fun fact lang, guys. He was the first brand who trusted me. Hindi ko na expect sobrang bigat. Ang liit na umiyak na. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Wala pa akong followers nun, guys. Parang 10K pa lang. So thank you so much.
Congratulations to our Travel Innovator Hazel. Mag-shot ka dyan sa Tanqueray. Solid yan. Solid yan. Yung mga mananalo, mag-shot kayo. Yan. And travel. Demonstrating skill, engaging,
Ikaw pala yan.
their audience. For Travel Luminary Award nominees, we have J.M. Bangisho, Jack Swiss, The Simpsons, Ivan Negusman.
O, diba? Lahat yung mga friends.
Travel Luminary Award goes to
Our Travel Luminary Award goes to
Yes! Si Jack! Oh, naka-white si Jax! Minsan lang yan mag-white. Picture na natin si Jax.
Pressure ako, but thank you so much, Joanne. I think I want to thank each and everyone. Look firstly, kasi I believe that Look really democratized travel. Traveling, doing it yourself, diba? Removing all of those expensive fees na nakita mo sa labas. And I think the Travel Luminary Award, I think it's all for us all creators here as well. Because kahit paano, we support each other's content. Whenever we see each other's content, we hit that like button, we save it,
Yes!
we from each other.
Diba
To all of the followers,
Let's support
my
each
followers,
other.
to your followers, friends. Kasi kung wala sila, diba, all of those likes, those shares, those saves, sila talaga ang bumubuo to who we are and what we do, and why we do what we do, to bring the world closer every reel, every photo at a time. Thank you. Para sa akin to.
Congratulations, Jax! Fun fact, patalog ko po yung favorite
Jazz.
female travel creator award.
Yeah, si Coco yan. And sila Calls.
For their travel-related content, she's gained popularity and received positive recognition for their travel adventures, stories, tips, photography, videos, or any other content related exploring destinations around the world. For our favorite female travel creator nominees, we have Liwana, Jen Maraga,
Si Jen. Asa pala si Jen.
Isha Ramirez, and our favorite
si Coles pala
female
dito.
travel creator nominee and awardee is
Jen Baraka.
Si Jen. Ayan, si Jen. Ganda ni Jen, no?
Ang dami pala nito. First of all, we would like to thank Luke for the recognition. Kasi maraming salamat. And also, I would like to acknowledge the contributions as well of my fellow nominees. Alam ko, as a babae, hindi madali gumawa ng content, or regardless of the gender, actually, hindi talagang madali gumawa ng content. And also, thank you sa lahat ng bumoto, sa lahat ng mga followers ko. As what Jax mentioned earlier, sa lahat ng mga followers niya din, as in, maraming salamat. And also, to my fiancé.
Ay!
Kasi,
Uy!
I wouldn't be able to create good travel content kung hindi ko siya kasama. I wouldn't be able to provide good photos or videos kung hindi ko siya kasama. So, parang, thank you! And for this award, this is also not just for me, kundi para to sa tatlong klase ng mga travelers. Number 1, yung mga seasoned travelers na. Number 2, yung nagsa-start pa lang sa journey nila. And number 3, yung nangangarap pa lang na makapag-travel. Para sa inyo po ito. Para sa inyo. Thank you so much. And let's continue to create adventures and share it to the world. Thank you!
a content creator
Okay, last
who
award
is
na yata
celebrated for
itong
his
favorite male.
travel content, gained popularity, and received positive recognitions for their travel adventures, stories, tips, photography, or videos, or anything related to content and while enjoying their travels. For our favorite male travel creator nominees, we have Chuck and Joe, David Diesel,
Ano ba si David?
JM Benquisha, and Archie Morgan.
Si Nana. Asa si Archie?
Archie Lord!
Asa si Archie? Deserve! Ay, ang cute ni Archie.
Oh my God, thank you so much!
Oh my God. Nanginginig ako, oh my God. But anyway, let me explain. Wow. I would like to thank Look Philippines kasi, okay.
Video natin si Archie.
Mga 30 minutes lang itong talk ko Ano pa kasi yan? Then, when I started creating content back in 2016, nung nag-YouTube pa ako, talagang parang #1 brand, walang etchos to Parang #1 brand na gusto ko makatrabaho was Look. Because yung travel content talaga, yun talaga ini-aim ko. But sadly, hindi siya nag-work. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo lahat, hindi man siya or hindi nyo man na-realize yung effort na nakuha nyo during that time. Pero dadating din yung panahon na may recognize din yung mga bagay na ginagawa ninyo. At pag-aalay nyo sa na niche or platform. So, advice ko lang sa lahat, just keep on creating content, just keep on being inspired to create content. Huwag natin gawin lahat just for the money. Just enjoy what you do.
Yes!
Ito, parang kami yung arin ako. Time na mabibigyan din kayo ng opportunity na mag-shine sa inyong mga platform and dance. Maraming salamat po sa mga fellow Flookers dito. Ito na ang award na to. Ate, parang sa akin award din naman to. So maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you so much sa support ko. And to more Dargas sa bayan!
Of creators chosen by our value partners. And these, we do celebrate the values and content as well. So to present first, the Partners Choice Award, the Hop-In's Traveler's Choice. So please join me on stage, Senior Marketing Manager of Hop-In. We have Casey.
Yan si Casey. Yan, kasama natin siya sa Japan Pop.
This award is going to be presented to a creator who brings good to everywhere she goes, or he or her creativity and infectious good vibes translate to engaging content for Hop-In, generating reach and conversion pivotal for the brand's domestic and internal growth. And this award comes with an incredible prize, a 4-day, 3-night stay at any Hop-In Japan.
Si Nana yan, Nana! Go, Nana! Si Nana! I'm so happy! Go, Nans! Ang ganda ni Nana! Ang ganda ni Nana!
Let's have a photo at the center, please. Congratulations, Nana. Thank you so much, Miss Casey.
Creator Awards. Partner naman si Travel Club. Ay, ang cute ng luggage nila, fam. Kulay yellow. Go, sis! Ang ganda rin ni Coles, oh. Thank you so much. Congrats din. Yes. Sure ba tayo? Okay, ma'am. Nanalo si Barbie ng luggage.
Bagay na bagay ito. Ayan. Togon.
Congrats, sis. Travel Innovator Award. Bongga. Naiyak pa yan.
Naiyan ako.
Nabidyo ko yung pag-iyak. Tama lang.
Tama na.
Medyo lang.
Last ko na talaga ito.
Look with Gcash. Wow, may Klook and Gcash card now. Kuha na kayo, fam. Ayan, Best Dress Award. Sino kaya?
First, for our female creator, we have the Fashionable Wanderer Award. And for our male creator, we have the Dapper Explorer Award. And these awards will be celebrating you in your fashion sense, representing you as well. Our winners will each receive 5,000 worth of Klook credits they can use for absolutely anything on Klook. So let us get into our best dressed winners with their impeccable style. The winners are Justin!
Wow, saya si Bestie. Go, Justin!
Ay, bagay itong sash sa'yo.
Di ba ang ganda ni Justin?
Please wear your wonderful sash. Please wear it, and congratulations with your 5,000 Klook credits. There. All right, our fashionable winner. And next up, for our male best dress, we have Archie Larga.
Oh, si Archie. si Bestie.
I can't wait to see.
Next
Now, to help us
Choice
present the awards,
Award.
you have to call on back
The Major Awards.
Cookies. We have Maggie and Eula to come up here on stage to help present it with me. And this time, our winners will be taking home 10,000 pesos worth of club credits along with a 2-night stay at any Hop in Philippines hotel. A fantastic prize for
Baliw.
our exceptional club creators.
Kunin ko na yung camera.
The first award
Baliw.
is our Trendsetter Award.
Trendsetter
This award
Award.
is presented to a creator who is innovative and has a significant impact in the audience and has popularized one of the hidden gems in Vietnam, resulting in more people visiting the cascading rice terraces, misty valleys, and majestic peaks located in Sabah. The creator's new ideas, styles, and practices have played a significant role in the travel industry. A big round of applause for our trendsetter who continues to lead the way with creativity as well as vision. So, the winner for our Trendsetter Award,
Book Trendsetter Award goes to Archie Larga.
Oh! Nasa likod na naman.
Archie Larga.
Go Archie! Woohoo!
Alam ng nanay ko, magpapasya na ako sa bayan. Ang dami ko. But anyway, ano pinapanalunan ko? Ay, Trendsetter Award! Oh, nabanggit kanina yung Vietnam. So, alam nyo, actually, let me explain. So, yung idea for that video, na ang inspiration ko talaga was si Miss Jen Barangan. Where is she? Jen, ma'am, si Jen, dahil sa'yo, kaya nakidea na pumunta ng Sapa. And yun, kung magpaplano kayo na pumunta somewhere in Asia, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-Vietnam, magpunta kayo ng Hanoi, then mag-side trip kayo sa Sapa, like 2 nights. Sobrang ganda, tapos mag-apakit yun ng Pansipan. Momshi, sobrang ganda, and sobrang mura lang. And alam niyo kung saan nag-book ang aking tour? Siyempre,
Sa Klook!
Ayan, so maraming salamat po.
Ang galing ni Archie, ah.
And to more travel sa Vietnam. Salamat po!
Congratulations, Archie! 2023
Top Activities Creator Award.
He has excelled in promoting
Very sa daming
brilliant
awards,
adventures
no?
and attractions like Universal Studios Singapore, Tokyo Disneyland, and Club Singapore Pass. So, let's hear it for their contribution to the club community.
The Top Activities Creator Award goes to Mimi Miyako.
Wow! Oh, nanalo si Ivan! Top Hotel Creator Awards! Ang ganda rin suot ni Ivan, oh.
Nanginginig ako. Okay, next speech mo. Maximum of how many minutes? So yun, first of all, this is my second nomination as content creator actually, na travel. At ito yung second award ko, yung una tech, pandemic, hindi ako tumanggap in person. At ngayon, ito yung first award ko. And actually, kung makikita niyo yung TikTok account, yung Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, puro hotels nga naman. Puro hotels nga naman. So yun, first of all, I would like to thank Miss Ian for approving my request. Miss Maki, Miss Lula, Miss Shan. Wow, kami sa ating admin. So yun, maraming salamat sa group dahil tulad ng sinabi ko kay Miss Maki, minsan pagka naninig ko siya, noong estudyante pa lang ako, iniipon ko yung baon ko, and once a year lang ako nagta-travel. Then, flash forward. Nung February 2023, nagpunta ako ng Taiwan at nag-active ako na nag-vlog sa YouTube. Then, a month after, nag-DM sa akin ang Maki Santos. Wow, too much information. Tapos, sinabi niya sa akin kung gusto ko daw mag-look affiliates. And then, tinanggap ko. Then, hindi ko alam na makakakuha ko ng mga sales, basta post lang ako ng post, ganyan. Tapos, tumaas. So, na-motivate lalo. And, syempre guys, alam niyo naman tayo nasa program na to. And ito, hindi lang naman to para meron tayong magamit sa pag-travel, kundi ano din siya, para reward din natin siya sa sarili natin, di ba? So, ang ginagawa ko, yung nakukuha natin yung group, yun yung ginagawa ko travel plans. At sabi ko kay Miss Maki, nung simula na naging Cloak creator ako, naka-travel na ako sa 13 countries.
Yes!
13 countries at 12 doon, ginamit ko si Cloak. Kasi dun sa isa wala si Cloak eh. Kasi po ang aking trippings ko sa pagka-travel, ngayon ay leaning towards sa mga off-beaten path talaga. Sabi ko nga kay Miss Maki minsan, mas kabisado ko yung Cloak application kumpara siya sa Cloak application. Kasi sinasabi ko, bakit wala kayong Russia? Bakit wala kayong North Korea? Yung mga ganyang level. Kasi talagang iniisa-isa ko kung ano yung mga pwede kong magawa sa Cloak at yun, nagbunga yung ating actually hotel pa nga lang ito pero ang pinuwento ko buong talang-buhay ko na sa Pilipinas. So yun, maraming salamat again. Tulad sa unang pagsasalita ko sa Cloak, tinapos ko yung statement ko with this statement, all together, we will reach places whenever you would be possible with Cloak.
Now, our Rising Star Traveler.
Our Rising Star Traveler Award goes to Maine Piernas.
Si Maine, oh, nakikita ko siya. Yay!
Next up, we're going to our top outbound creator award. And this is the awardee that has achieved the highest sales for international travel destination. Name it, Japan, Hong Kong, Korea. They are the top international destinations despite only joining midway through last year. This creator has exhibited remarkable and consistent growth, consistently securing a place among top 10 creators.
And the Club Top Outbound Creator Award goes to JM
Congrats, JM!
I'm speechless. Yeah, so first of all, thank you so much kay God, no? Kasi siya kasama ko all throughout this journey. Thank you kay Cloak, no? Thank you kay Kia, kay Maki, and to all the creators dito sa Cloak. Maraming salamat kasi pinagbubutihan ang paggawa ng contents. And ito award na to, bonus na lang to sa atin eh. Just being part of the creator community, malaking bagay na para sa ating lahat. So, ang nasasabi ko lang eh, tuloy-tuloy lang sa paggawa ng contents. And let's support each other.
Yeah!
Thank you po!
Congratulations, JM, the top outbound creator of 2024. You've got outbound, let's bring in our top domestic creator award now. So,
our top domestic creator award goes to Chuck and Joe.
Chuck and Joe, ang ganda ng damit nila. Picture na natin sila.
My God, totoo ba? Unexpected ko, di natin may nakakala na we'll get this award. Actually, first namin talagang goal nung nagsisimula kami mag-content for travel is to promote local tourism. So, ayun, hindi namin alam na ito yung matukuha namin award for tonight. Thank you, Flo. Thank you so much. Maraming pong salamat kasi isa po ang clue sa nagbigay. Isa po ang clue sa mga nagbigay po sa amin ng opportunity
to travel to different places. And kami po kasi, nag-start po kami sa Instagram noon. So puro lang kami static photo and naging daan po ang Instagram, ang Klook para po maging mailabas po namin ang creativity sa videos. So maraming salamat po, Klook. To everybody, hindi ko po kayo isa-isahin. Kilala niyo po kung sino kayo. This award is also dedicated po sa lahat ng mga supporters namin actually. Kasi sila po yung nagmo-motivate sa amin. Every time po na may lumalapit po sa amin na sa akin, Joe, salamat po sa mga travel tips po niyo. Yun po yung nakakawala ng pagod namin. So, thank you so much, Klo. Thank you, Klo.
Congratulations, is going to be awarding not one but 3 of them who has been performing the best in their sales of the Auburn Klook products. And to help me award this, we'll be calling back on stage Klook General Manager Michelle Ho to award these wonderful creators. First up is our bronze awardee, and they'll be taking home 5,000 in Klook credits along with a 2-night stay at any Hop in Philippines hotel. This is for the top sales generating nano creator from July 2023 up until this year, and this creator has been an active member of the Klook community for over a year, consistently climbing the ranks from top 100 to top 10. By sharing a variety of creative travel tips and experiences from budget-friendly hotels to luxurious stays.
Walang mic.
So the Creator of the Year Bronze Award goes to Camille Piano.
Ayan siya, si Camille.
Our silver awardee receiving 10,000 in Klook credits, as well as a 2-night stay at Hop in Philippines Hotel. The award recognizes top performing micro creators who consistently generate again sales last year to this year. So now we're going to be moving on to silver.
Creator of the Year Silver Award goes to the Samsung.
Wow, the Samsung! Sa AJN mo ay nakakatuwa naman.
Mahihayin na po.
Hello guys! So makikita ko na family artists and Klook po. And thank you Klook for this award. Kailangan. And masasabi ko lang, si Klook, kagaya nung pinost ko sa isang post namin, talagang ito yung most rewarding time of our lives. Nung naging Klook creator kami. Kasi we should have been into another place. So long story yun, pero I think Klook saved us. Para dito talaga kami sa chapter na to. And para to sa lahat ng mga creators, okay mo, wala na pag-asa!
Yes!
Post lang ng post! So let's go! Thank you, Klook!
Walang titigil dahil.
Yes! Yes! Congrats! AJN mo!
Okay, they'll be receiving 15,000.
Wow, gold award!
2-night stay in the Hop in Philippines Hotel.
Alright, so the Creator of the Year Gold Award goes to Jack Strait!
Yes! Woohoo! Ay, congrats, Jax!
Oh my God, na-pressure ang lola niyo. I think, thank you so much. Number one, I think it's thank you to Clock talaga, like what I said kanina. I really believe that it's easier to travel because of Clock, and the right of everybody is to travel. And you have to make it very budget-friendly. And I believe Clock has one of the best platforms out there. Secondly, syempre, this award I think is not just for me, it's for everyone here. Kasi alam ko, everyday tayo kumakayod, gumagawa ng content. But one thing that I always want to remind each and everyone is we create content because we want to create value for each and everyone that watches it. Alam ko, we want the commission, it's always there, di ba? That's why we create content. But always remember that we should not be blinded by the commissions that we earn. Always be truthful, always be authentic on how you create your content. We all started small. Imagine that I was never somebody who wanted or who believed that I can create content. I was a lowly corporate slave for the longest time. But once you create that valuable content and realize ng followers natin, and we create value and we bring value to them, slowly it will come. The money will come if you do what you love. And that's why we love to travel. Bonus na lang talaga yung mga commissions that we earn.
Yeah.
Kaya, wow! Kaya, let's keep creating content. Let's make the world a smaller place. And let's make sure that we democratize traveling because everybody in the world deserves to travel wisely. Diba? Yun na. Thank you so much para sa atin to lahat. Thank you, Lokret. Thank you to everyone.
If you have a drink, this is for everyone here, and you know everything has been said already. This job is not easy, but you guys make it easier. Thank you also, biggest props to Kian for being my bravest girl. I wouldn't be able to achieve anything in the creator program.
So si Kian,
the creator program without her. From 300 just last year, we started with literally 20 creators when I entered the club, and we're now 3,000 strong. And thank you guys for the patience, understanding. We will continue to improve and provide you guys all the tools and everything that you need to succeed in the creator program. Big or small, believe it or not, we look after all of you and we do our best to support everyone. Cheers!
Congratulations! Thank you so much!
Asa na yung inumin mo?
Fantastic night!
Wala na!
Wala na.
Napakadaldal ko po sa vlog ni JM.
Isa inyo, pumunta kami ng Japan.
Yeah, pumunta kami ng Japan. Sabi ko pang kay JM, magpunta kami ng Sapporo, Hokkaido. Yeah. Sama ka. January 2025.
Let's go!
Drawing yan.
Kaya lang, itong mga to, si JM saka si Hazel, hindi nababakante, lagi lumilipad.
Nagsalita!
Nagsalita ang yung mabakante. Paminom tayo ng favorite natin, Tanqueray. Oh. The poor traveler. Nagmano ako. Ayaw ako pagmanuhin. Hello! Bata pa lang ako, fam. Oo, talaga. Bata pa lang ako. Pinapalo ko na sila. Nagpamano ako, ayaw ako pagmanuhin eh. Ayan. Dito pa sa Clock Awards nakikita. Correct. Batiin natin si Doc Lina and Tita Lani. Hello! Okay fam, 4:20 na ng umaga and kababalik lang natin dito sa ating Airbnb. Grabe, nag-after party kami, pero yung after party kasi namin more on kain lang. Kumain lang kami sa Vibe, tapos kumunting shot lang ng tequila and nag-McDo lang kami. And sa McDo more on ano lang talaga, a life update, chika, no? And yeah, ang saya nung mga nakasama natin dun sa after party. So ayun fam, nairaos natin ang event. But sadly, hindi po tayo nanalo sa dalawang award nominations, no? Ang nanalo sa Travel Luminary is si Jax Reyes. And ang nanalo sa Favorite Male Creator Award is si Archie. I honestly felt sad. Kasi syempre na-nominate tayo for those 2 awards. Pero we didn't get it. And ganun talaga, no fam? Ganun talaga ang buhay. Hindi sa lahat ng bagay na nanalo tayo, no? And siguro hindi pa ito yung binigay ni Lord for me. And sabi ko nga baka may iba siyang plano. But nanalo naman tayo ng isang award. Ayan, oh. Nanalo pa rin naman tayo ng Top Outbound Creator Award with Klook. O, diba? Yun naman talaga, fam. And doon naman sa mga nanalo, sobrang deserve naman talaga. And happy ako kasi I really know them. As in lahat, sa Travel Innovator, si Hazel nanalo. Sa Favorite Female Creator, si Jen. Talagang gumagawa ng mga magaganda, insightful, educational travel contents, no? Kaya deserve nila. Ngayon lang, nung una medyo nasad ako. Ano ba nangyari sa akin? Hindi ko na alam yung mga pinagsasabi ko. So ngayon ko na lang i-share kung ano ko yung gusto kong sabihin. So receiving the award, gusto kong magpasalamat first kay God. Kasi siya talaga ang nag-guide sa akin all the way. And pangalawa, gusto kong magpasalamat sa fam, kay mamang, kay papang, kay sis, kay brother-in-law, sa mga cousins ko, sa relatives na talagang nakasupport sa akin all throughout. Pangatlo, I'd like to thank you fam, sa lahat ng mga viewers, subscribers na nakasupport sa akin all the way. Lahat ng mga bumoto sa akin fam, maraming salamat. Huwag niyo isipin na nasayang yung boto niyo dahil hindi ako nanalo. Para sa akin, panalo pa rin ako dahil sa mga votes ninyo. So maraming salamat fam sa lahat ng nag-support sa akin sa botohan na ito, no? And to Maki, Kian, and to the whole creator community, maraming salamat. I was so happy seeing you guys kanina sa event, and sana magkaroon pa ng maraming venue, no, to meet everyone, no. So yun yung gusto kong sabihin sana kanina na hindi ko nasabi dahil na mental block ako. Ayun lang. Tas yun, after the event, nagpumarty-party, sayaw-sayaw, tas lumabas lang kami. Ayun, ang saya, no? Time to rest. Grabe, hinabot na tayo ng madaling araw. So that's it fam for our Creator Awards night. Again, maraming salamat sa lahat ng nakasupport sa akin dito sa awards night na ito, sa lahat ng bumoto. And lastly, thank you Klook. Ayan, sa ating Top Outbound Creator Award. So yun lang fam, mag-good night na muna ako. Kailangan ko na magpahinga. I need energy for tomorrow. And Saturday naman bukas, no? Kaya, ayun, chill tayo. But yeah, anyway, mag-good night na ako. And sana na-enjoy nyo tong vlog na to, no? Although, hindi ko alam kung marami ba akong clips na nakuha. On the latter part of the vlog, parang ang gulo na. Tignan na lang natin, no? Sana na-enjoy nyo pa rin. And maraming salamat sa panonood. And I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye! Close to the